Hello Leo. So this is your general overview for 2021. So it will cover your finances, your career, your relationship, your love, your family. So it's just a general overview, and I will be coming up with a career, business, money reading later. In the last part of December. So let's see. This is based on your sun sign and moon sign. Could check the other video as well, and these are general readings. Not all messages might resonate. So let three shuffles, Leo. Let's start. So Leo's general energies, general overview for 2021. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Leo's general overview for 2021. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Leo's general overview for 2021. Spirits and guides, angels and guides, please guide. Two of Pentacles. So a lot of hard work, lot of working hard, lot of hard work. Wheel of Fortune, great. So Two of Pentacles is like there is a lot of things, lot of work, lot of ideas that you will be juggling with, Now this is Seven of Cups. King of Wands. So this is Leo, your energy. The Judgment. The Justice. The Strength, again a Leo card here. Page of Wands. Five of Pentacles. Four of Cups. So Leo, the first card, I feel you will be taking some major decisions, major steps with your conviction. That's what I feel here. Conviction in your, thoughts. You will be strong, in your convictions here. You will be taking some major decisions because, we get Two of Pentacles with the Wheel of Fortune. That is what I get here. Two of Pentacles, juggling. It's about balancing, So some of you will be balancing a job or a business. Some of you may balance two, jobs or two businesses together. Or two ideas that you might you want to start off this year. It is the first card, so it's the beginning. So you might want to start something here. So you have two different ideas here regarding either in a job and in money, or job or business situation. For some of you, definitely you're juggling two people in your relationship here. Yes, so you have two options and you're juggling both of them here. So you're having a good time. But yes, you will need to make a decision with a Wheel of Fortune. Maybe, you will decide finally to go with someone whom you desire more than the other. That's what. So making a choice, you have choices here. You'll have to make a decision with Two of Pentacles. Again, it's a lot of hard work, finishing one, going after another. So that's what you're doing here. So luck is slowly moving in your favor, Leo, in 2021. Your focus is right. You have centered your energies well, and you will see that the Wheel of Fortune slowly moving in your favor. That's what. Some of you could be make some luxury purchases. So here I would say comfort or luxury purchases. Be realistic with your budget, because this is also a card of confusion. So get the reality check of your finances. Because this is a card of confusion. Also with this card, I feel that you will look at various options, in your business, that, what else, lot of options, trying to gather knowledge, lot of options, looking for new job here. It could also be looking for new job here. Yeah, and luxury purchases, there I would like to guard you against overspending. You need to start saving little by little, Leo. For your future. That's just an advice. If you like it, only then take it. Then you have this King of Wands. So this is fiery. You are in this place here. So you are passionate, you're driven, you're energetic, you're enthusiastic. Your communication will be just right. Your negotiation skills will be great here. And you will be successful. So any idea, maybe, you'll pick up an idea. You will nurture it well, you will see growth and success. If you have been ignoring something for quite some time, making a decision here, you have this Judgment card. If you have been something very important related to relationship, or it could be in your Yeah, it looks more like a relationship. You will have to you make a decision in 2021, because this decision just could come, head on this year. So you will be compelled to make a decision. If it's relationship, something that you have been avoiding it for quite some time, it's for some of you it could be legal separation here. That's what I see, a divorce, or something you have been avoiding, so it could come heads on. That is what for you here. So such issues need to be resolved with a lot of strength, with maturity, with overcome all your fears, be courageous, but be mature in your dealings here. Justice definitely coming in your favor if you are fair, if you are right. No, so if you have a relationship, a divorce or a settlement, it will come in your favor. That's what I see here with the justice card. Also, you will be needing to do with a lot of legal papers, legal work here. It could be right from a small signature on a legal paper to dealing with attorneys, law, courts. That's what hearings here. Also, this card is like you should be accountable for your actions. Being accountable for your action, being fair to everybody. That's what. Do not lose your temper. Keep your temper in control. Keep your temper in check. That's again one thing which comes with this card here. This year will increase your temptation again to buy luxuries. So have that also in control. That's what I get here. There will be minor obstacles, minor challenges in your day-to-day life, which you will handle it well, Leo. That's what I get here. At times you could feel left out, low in vitality, feeling financial crunch, that's what I get here. But, feeling bored, not knowing what to, there will be times in the year. So at that time you just need to, do some spiritual seeking, spiritual growth. That's gonna help you, Leo. Page of Wands. Also, at times you are feeling bored. At times you would be adventurous. You would like to go on an adventure, try out new things. You will be more creative. There will be creative opportunities presented to you here, which you will use it to your best capacity. That's what I see here. New projects, new beginnings, new job. Creative jobs for some of you here. Some of you might, buy property. I mean, an apartment or apartment or a home or a piece of land here. So you could seek credits for that also. You could seek funding for that, or from a bank, or or some relative helping you out here. So that is what you have to do. If in case you are in any kind of doubt, always seek advice from your elders, or from someone who is who is successful and wise. So seek help in case you are confused if you feel confused at times here. So it feels to be great, Leo. Here you will be working hard. Some of you, again, I feel that Leo, new love for some of you here, new relationship. Especially, again, you could deal with a fire sign itself here. Aries, you are a Leo, so you could find Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Either they have these placements on their moon chart or their sun chart. But yes, also you will be very attractive. You will get a lot of attention from the opposite sex, and you will be flirtatious. I mean, the one who are open to relationship. So getting lot of attention and giving lot of attention here. Be patient. That's what I say. Be patient and have faith in the universe. Have faith in yourself. This is going to take you, towards the long-term success that you desire, Leo. So yeah, overall I feel family life is good. Those who are married with kids. It's just that you need to have your temper in control and stop, curb your overspending habit. So this is what I get here. Let's pull out an angel guidance card, Leo. So angel messages for Leo. Angel messages for Leo. Knowledge. So seek knowledge. Seek knowledge. It's gonna help you in your business, in your career. opportunity knocks. So there will be various opportunities. I told you this is Page of Wands, so various opportunities being presented to you. Seize the opportunity, grab the opportunity in time and utilize it to your best benefit. So this is it. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.